Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title above, we're going to deep clean, organize, and redo my pantry, do some cleaning on the refrigerator and my stove. And so stay tuned for the journey, get you a cup of coffee, leave this on in the background, and I hope it gives you motivation to clean out your pantry, which is behind me. It is a mess, a wreck. But I'm going to declutter this, the refrigerator, and do the stove and all the other stuff. So give me a like, a subscribe, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the whole journey.
Okay, so here is the before photo or video, before I clean out this pantry, and boy was it a mess. I had leftover chips, Halloween candy, just a realistic pantry of a mom of 2 girls, and there's 4 living in this house, so I just wanted to put that on there, and this is realistically what the pantry looks like. And I don't have pretty shelvings or bins to put my stuff in, so we're just going to clean all of this out and wipe everything down, put everything back in its place. I feel so much better when everything is neat and organized, and I know what to get for the grocery shop ahead of me and what to use and what not to use, because I always start with shopping in my pantry first before I make my meals for the week or the weekends that I have planned ahead. Okay, so just look at this before and after. I'm so happy I got this cleaned out. I've been working on it for a couple of days. But I always put my snacks for my kids at the very top, and then I'd put all of my canned goods together, my flours, my sugars, and a few of my pots and pans and bowls that I use. The other utensils that I use, like my bakeware and stuff that doesn't get used a whole lot, goes on that bottom rack, so it's put up away nice and neat and tidy. So let's move on to the refrigerator, and that one's going to be a tackling challenge. But stay tuned, keep going. If you're cleaning out your kitchen in this manner, just take one day at a time, give yourself grace. You'll get it done as soon as you can.
Okay, so now that I have got some of it done, I always start with the smallest area, which is my fridge. In your case, it might be your pantry, just to help me get motivated to keep going throughout the house to get things organized and put away. So while I sip on this hot tea, because my voice is just now coming back, I'm going to clean out the refrigerator, get it all tidied up, and clean out all of the bins and see what grocery shopping needs to be done. Moving on to the refrigerator, I first start with taking everything completely out of the refrigerator so that I can see what's bad, what needs to be thrown away, what leftovers need to be kept. Like that pizza, I think it was from 2 days ago, so we're going to throw that out and go through everything that is out of date and needs to be thrown away and tidied up and cleaned up.
moving on to this stove. It had a lot of baked on grease on the bottom, but we're going to tackle it and get it through. By the middle of this, I was exhausted. But I started out with some Comet and some Dawn, and I let that sit for a couple of hours. And then I'm going to wipe everything down and make sure everything's clean, take out the racks, wash them up, and then put everything back together. I'm so glad I finally got this finished. So let this be your motivation to get all of your cleaning done. We finally got that all done. I'm happy that I got the pantry, the refrigerator, the stove all cleaned up. We're finishing up this vlog with doing a little bit of dishes that was left over from the clean out. So thank you guys for watching this long. Please hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel out so much. And I appreciate you guys being here. And I'll see you guys next time.